Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix overheating issues on your iPhone 16 Pro. Basically, it's normal for a new phone to get warm in the first few days as it processes data, but here are some steps to help reduce the heat. So first of all, you have to close all background apps from your iPhone. These free up system resources on your iPhone and helps the iPhone to be stay cold, and then you can force restart your iPhone. So to do it, you have to press and release the volume up and volume down button quickly, and then hold the side button. As you can see, my screen goes completely black and I have to tap on the slide to power off, and that's it. You should follow these steps to keep your phone cool. So this refreshes your phone's software without deleting any data. Now let's move forward to the next step, which is basically you have to adjust location services on your iPhone. To do it, you have to go to settings, then you have to scroll down, and here you can see the option called privacy and security. Tap onto it, and then you have to tap on location services. So make sure that location services is turned off for apps that you don't need to use. Like as an example, I will use the app store. No, I will go for weather because I don't need it. I just have to tap on to never, and it is turned off. So make sure that you turn off your location services, and you can disable it completely if you want. And that's it. Now you have to disable background app refresh from your settings. To do it, you have to tap onto general. Here you can tap onto general, and then you have to tap on to background and app refresh. Here you can see the second option here. Tap onto it and turn it off, because background app refresh your iPhone constantly hot because it keeps backgrounds on your iPhone like background apps. So make it off, and that's it. And also make sure you have enough storage in your iPhone, because sometimes your iPhone get hit when it don't have enough storage. So you just have to tap onto general and then go on to iPhone storage, and make sure you have enough storage here. And if you don't have enough storage, you can delete or offload apps, and you can also delete your photos from your gallery and etc., and just customize it as your need. So that's it. Now you have to reset all settings on your iPhone. Just go to general and scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on to reset, and you have to tap on reset all settings. So follow these steps to keep your iPhone at a perfect temperature. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time in another video.